Imagine the world's oceans simmering like a boiling pot, except this isn't a metaphor. In 2023, a staggering 96% of the Earth's seas were engulfed in relentless heat waves, setting records that will haunt climate scientists for decades. These weren't fleeting spikes. They raged for over 525 days in some regions, rewriting the rules of what's normal for our planet. But here's where it gets controversial. Could this be the moment we realize humanity's role in pushing Earth past a tipping point? Let's unpack the science, the stakes, and the questions entire ecosystems teetering on the edge because the water is too hot to sustain life. This isn't just bad news for marine life. It's a warning siren for us. What caused this? A perfect storm of factors. Natural cycles like El Niño played a role, but human activity is the elephant in the room. Burning fossil fuels has cranked up the Earth's thermostat, and the oceans, our planet's heat sponges, are absorbing the brunt of it. Warmer air means warmer seas. And once that heat gets trapped in the surface layers, it's like turning up the flame on a stove. Add in shifting wind patterns and disrupted ocean currents, and you've got a recipe for chaos. Scientists are clear. Without drastic action to cut emissions, these heat waves will only get worse. And this is the part most people miss. The economic fallout is already here. Fisheries, the lifelines for millions of coastal communities, are under siege. When fish migrate to cooler waters or die off entirely, it's not just about lost income. It's about cultural traditions, food security, and entire economies collapsing. One study estimates the financial hit to fisheries could hit billions of dollars. But here's the bigger question. Who will pay the price? Let's zoom in on the numbers. The North Atlantic alone endured a 525-day heat wave in 2023, while the tropical Eastern Pacific saw temperatures spike by 2.9 degrees Fahrenheit. For context, that's like turning your bathtub into a hot tub overnight. These aren't just abstract figures. They're symptoms of a planet in distress, and the ripple effects are everywhere. Warmer oceans fuel stronger storms, melt polar ice faster, and disrupt weather patterns from the Arctic to the tropics. But what if we're looking at this the wrong way? Some experts argue that the real crisis isn't the heat waves themselves. It's our failure to adapt. Can we protect coral reefs with artificial cooling? Should we rethink how we manage fisheries in a warming world? These are the debates we need to have. Yet, the deeper issue remains. Can we even halt the damage without confronting the root cause, our addiction to fossil fuels? The takeaway? The 2023 marine heat waves aren't an anomaly. They're a preview of our future. They're a call to action for governments, industries, and individuals to rethink how we live on this planet. But here's the twist. This isn't just about saving the oceans. It's about saving ourselves. So, what's your take? Is it too late to turn the tide, or do we still have a fighting chance? Share your thoughts in the comments, because the only way forward is together.